Hi guys, Christina here, and I'm back with another video. And for today, I have a huge box right here. So it means we're gonna do an unboxing video. So this just arrived this morning while I was at work. So hubby worked from home, so received this. So I ordered this online. I ordered this last week. Last time I ordered from this place, it took them about 2 days to deliver it, but then since I ordered it on a Thursday, it took longer because it didn't count the weekends. So yeah, anyway, finally it's here. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's open it. Have a scissors. It's here. Yes, you guys, I ordered this from Louis Vuitton, and this bag is an oldie, and this is my second time to purchase from them online. It took them a few days this time, as I've mentioned, because I ordered it on a Thursday, was it Thursday night or Wednesday night? But anyway, it's like towards the end of the week, so that's why it arrived today. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday morning it arrived. So yeah, the packaging is still the same. So it came in this huge box, and it says inside Louis Vuitton. Outside, it's just a plain like box. And then here's the receipt. Comes with like a return label. So in case I want to return it, something's wrong with it. Yep, so this is the receipt. And then let's remove it from the box. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Okay, so inside the box, it's basically super protected. Again, just like last time. Oh my gosh, I'm butchering it. Yep, so the good thing is they always include the... Trying to make this super quick, but I see so noisy. Yeah, so it came with this paper bag. So the nice thing is they always include a paper bag when you purchase online. Again, the packaging is still the same from last time when I bought the Alma BB. Let's just open it. I'll just put the camera down so you guys can see. Right, you guys, this is it. And it came with a dust bag, of course. And ta-da! Yay! So this is an oldie, but I always wanted something in this print, and it is just so nice. And then this is where the lock is. Yep, a small pouch. Oopsie. The lock, and then the key. There you go. Let's put it back first. And this is the interior. So it came with, because this is a newer model, so it came with the zip pocket. So yeah, there. This one here. There you go. Zipper. There. And then, does it say anything here? Yep. And then the date code is right here. Oh yeah, you guys, so there is a number 25 right here. You can barely see it. Like, it's super small. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it's super small. So yeah. So right, so yeah, so this is the Speedy 25, the classic Speedy 25 in Damier Azur, and I wanted to add this canvas print to my LV bags because I don't have this yet. So I have the monogram, and also, so my monogram is the Retiro, I think in PM size, if I'm not mistaken. And then I have the Alma BB in the Damier Eben print. And then now I have this one in the Damier Azur. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but anyway, so it's this like white off-white with like blue checks, like, you know, the square design. Yeah, so I love it. But the one thing I've noticed though, you guys, the hardware is not the same as my Alma BB and my Retiro. So this one, the hardware is doesn't look like that luxurious, if you know what I mean. But like, yeah, it's not the same. So the hardware on this Speedy, it's like lighter. So I'll quickly get my Alma BB so you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll be back. I had to get my bag upstairs. So this is my Alma BB, and so this is the hardware on my Alma BB. So the hardware is like very golden, and it looks very I don't know, expensive looking, I would say. So if you compare it with this one, there's a huge difference. Like the one on the Speedy 25, it is much lighter in terms of color. Look at that, it's really different. Yeah, so the lock, it's the same as my Alma BB, but hardware here, it's really different. Nonetheless, I love it, you guys. So yep, so the size is just perfect. So I can wear it like top handle. It doesn't come with a strap. So I decided to get the top handle, just the Speedy 25, not the bandolier, because it's white. So I don't want to wear it cross body as much as possible because I wear a lot of jeans. But I've seen some pictures like online where people are using their like LV straps. They just attach the strap here on the side, just like, you know, like the Alma BB. So they'll attach it one here and on the other side. So I have my strap from my Retiro. So look at the difference. Look at how nice this color is. Like it's like honey gold color, and this one, it's still very like white. So yeah, hopefully after a few wear, it'll become the same color as this one. So let's try and attach it. So only during times that I'm too tired, then I can wear the strap. So sorry if this video is all over the place because I'm just super excited. And because I was super excited, I also bought an organizer because I know that the inside of this bag will be beige, so it's prone to dirt. So I bought an organizer for Speedy 25. Yep, so I got this one. I ordered this from katieaustralia.com. It's in light pink. I wasn't expecting it to be this like very vibrant light pink. I thought it's gonna be like a very dull light pink, but anyway, I should have ordered the beige color. But anyway, it's here, so let's try it. So this one, I got it for around $25, I think. And then for the Speedy, I got it for 1,440, so 1,440 Australian dollar. Alright guys, so it fits perfectly inside. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna wear this, okay? I'm gonna wear it like this. Right, so I've attached the strap. There you go. So we can hold it like this. If I want, maybe later on when the color changed a bit, so that it matches. But I can wear it like this if I want, like just during those times, let's say I'm shopping or, you know, doing something else that I need both hands. But most of the time, I know I'll be using this handheld. And then I can also do cross body like this. There you go. And if I want to add cuteness to this bag, I have this, which is from Aldo. I got this way back before, like years ago. So whenever I want to, you know, add some cuteness to my bag, I just add that. Alright guys, that's it. That's my unboxing video. And I am super happy with this bag. But let's see how I'll love this the next few days when I start using this. But so far I'm happy with it. I really love this. You know, I'm super into like light colored outfits lately, so this is just gonna be perfect. Although it's winter, I mean we're autumn here in Australia. I know in the US it's spring, but we're, you know, going to winter here in Australia. But nonetheless, I still love this. I think I'd still be able to use this wearing light colored outfits, winter outfits. Who says you can't wear light outfits during winter, right? Yep. So anyway, if you guys also have this bag, please let me know in the comment section if you had problems with it. I know a lot of people have this. Since this is an old bag, leave comments down in the comment section below and let me know how you like your Speedy 25 or any bag that you have that has this Damier Azur print. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.